Today in this video, we're going to check out the whole Moana Journey of Water area because we haven't seen it yet. It is officially open now, and you don't need a virtual queue, so you can just go and walk on in. The mist here feels amazing. It's very tropical, very pretty in here. And of course, as you can imagine, it's busy because it is a new attraction. So when you touch that water, it actually creates a sound. It's touched the strings of water. So you do have sounds that are coming out of there that it creates. It's pretty cool. I think in the summer this is going to do great, even days like today, because it is warm and the water just feels good. And look at how beautiful Spaceship Earth looks back there. We can kind of see Tafiti back there, rising up. And that's the direction in which we're headed. So if you stand in front of it right here and you wave, it makes it go higher. So we're kind of controlling the water. It's working! So over here they have some plants that like to grow in the water, and they also are part of nature and feeding the water-loving animals. So this can also be potentially food. They have one on this side and behind me. So this is all for water-loving creatures. Very cool. I don't see any creatures in there yet, but maybe they're going to have like little froggies and little fish. I don't know. A lot of the waterfalls here kind of react to your hands, and they'll go up higher as you go up high. It's really, really cool, and the kids love it. I see Tafiti peeking out. She looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, we have a dry path, and I guess there must be a wet path. So I'm going to go through the wet path if there's such a thing. Okay, this is actually pretty wet. Oh, that is so cool. It actually stops for you. You want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, you go first. Let's film you. Let's see if it opens up for him. Okay, let's try this. Is it going to open up a path for me? Woohoo, it does. If you're worried about wetting your equipment, it's not going to happen. It opens up the path as you saw. So that is so cool. This area is just beautiful. So they do have a photo pass here, and we're going to get in line, and it's in a perfect spot because you have Tafiti right behind you. We've got to take advantage of it. We are moving down the river. Look at that. So I gotta say, although it's busy today, this moves along pretty nicely. I don't think it's too bad, and it's definitely worth it to come in and look at it. Okay, we have one more area here. It looks like this is where it ends. But this area is called the ocean area. I gotta tell you, I love the sounds of water. Ooh, the ocean area is a lot more active. Oh my God, this is awesome! And my band keeps going off too. So cool. So we're making this water move, guys. We're dying a little wet. I just got hit in the head, but it feels so good. I keep getting wet.
You got so lucky because if you would have stood right there, I got so look.
Oh my God. It just hit me like a little spot. Oh my God, look. It is so nice to see the monorail in the background with all this beautiful area. Oh my God. This is definitely the spot where you're going to get the most wet. So if you don't want to get wet, don't enter the ocean. Ooh, let's see this one. Jump, 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 jump. I'm not really jumping, guys. There we go. Now I'm jumping. Hey, there's Moana in the stone. That's beautiful. I had not noticed that. So here, if you jump, it makes the water go. I'm trying not to jump too hard. That was so cool, guys. And you gotta be careful. You have to be careful here because these things can hit you in the head. Oh, I just got hit in the head. You have to be strategic when you're running through here. We don't want to wet like the equipment. So I think I'm gonna run through. Woo! And in the summer, or even just now, this spot is great for the kiddies to get soaked. So make sure you or your kiddies have bathing suits on. Or if you don't have a bathing suit on, at least something that's gonna dry quickly. We're not wearing dry quick clothes, so I am not getting that soaked today. All right, we're gonna check out Moana at night, the Journey of Water, and let's see how it looks. Here are the cool wind chime waterfalls, or the springs of water as they call them. So cool. And if you wait to come in at night, it's a lot emptier than it was during the day. It's an experience you should have at night and during the day, a little bit of both. So I do recommend you guys coming in twice. Oh my God, guys, Spaceship Earth looks spectacular from this side. When you look at it from here, it just looks like one huge blue moon. It's beautiful. So if you stand there, you put your arms up. My arms are moving up and down. The dry path is that way, and this is a path that's going to get you wet. We got wet earlier, and really we liked it. So we've got the spring coming up, and this area you're going to get really, really wet. And I tell you, it's okay because it's been so hot. Okay, let's test this. You're supposed to put your hand, oh, and it comes up to your hand. Yes, it does. Wow. So if I take it away,
Put your hand up higher, baby.
now watch, let's go higher. Oh my God, it does. This is so cool. Look at that. That was amazing. Okay, my honey's gonna try it for you guys so you can see. It comes up to your hand, so you hold your hand up and it'll come up to your hand. I love it. I'm totally in love with this area.
Yeah,
totally in love.
Oh
It
my
is
God.
beautiful. It is beautiful during the day, but I think I even like it more at night. And here's the dry path again, and we're going to go through that wet path here at nighttime. I love how the water just opens up for you. It's great. I love it. So you don't really get wet. Look at Tafiti at night. She is just absolutely beautiful. I think she's even more glorious at nighttime than during the day. I'm loving this at night. This is a must-see attraction. I know it's not a ride. I know it's not a show, but this in itself is something very special. And I feel like this is going to be my new spot to just come and relax, especially at night, and just walk through and enjoy the sights, the sounds, the smells. The music that they have in the background here is spectacular also. It's the Moana soundtrack, but it's all instrumental. It's beautiful. I think they did a fantastic job with this. And my favorite icon with all of this greenery around it. Oh, so beautiful. And now we head back into the ocean area. This is the area that I had mentioned you guys will get soaked at. There's my honey, Marky Mouse, by the way. This is a fun area. If you are not strategic, these are going to get you. Look at that. They're making that water go up. So awesome. I think you figured out what my review is. You need to come see Moana's Journey of Water. There's no reason not to. It is awesome, beautiful, and I think it's one of my new areas that I'm going to love hanging out in.